Finally, there is good news for those who believed in the resilience of the Russian currency and the value of oil. Amid a weaker US dollar, the ruble is extending gains. The same is true for the euro versus the ruble pair. How long will it last and what will support the trend? Find out in our video review. On Monday, Brent continues to consolidate near the level of $69 per barrel. Crude prices are supported by hopes for demand recovery amid improved coronavirus situation in the US and Europe. Another bullish factor for oil is a decline in the US dollar that fell under pressure after a weak jobs report in the US. Taking this into account, we recommend keeping long positions on Brent with an upside target above $70 per barrel. WTI is likely to follow the same scenario. Despite the downbeat US employment data revealed on Friday, current conditions are favorable for the global economy and for fuel demand recovery. Today, WTI crude is trading at $65.30 per barrel. By the end of the week, it may well advance to the area of $66.50 per barrel. At the same time, the Russian currency is quickly gaining ground, as we have mentioned before in our previous reviews. The US dollar retreated by 2 rubles in the course of the long public holidays in Russia. This drop came amid rising oil prices and an overall weakness of the US currency on Forex. In the next 2 to 3 days, the dollar-ruble pair is expected to trade in the range 73 to 74.50 rubles per dollar. It is also possible that the greenback will decline to the level between 72.50 and 73. However, a further rise of the ruble is not favored by the Russian Ministry of Finance. Against the euro, the ruble is also trading a bit higher, although with a slower pace of growth. Currently, the euro has settled at the level of 89.50, yet the euro also looks stronger compared to the greenback. With a possible future strengthening of the ruble, the pair may decline to the area of 88.50 to 89 rubles per euro. The current news background remains mostly positive for the ruble. Earlier, the US Secretary of State Anthony Blinken avoided answering the question about disconnecting Russia from the SWIFT payment system. Along with this, oil prices are rising, although they may soon reach their limit. And that's all for now. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.